Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to bypass Windows 11 compatibility issues. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Windows 11 download page. Scroll until you see the option for Disk Image ISO. Select Windows 11, choose your language, and click Download. Save the ISO file to your computer. Next, go to the official Rufus website. Download the latest version. Plug in a USB drive with at least 16 gigabytes of space. Open Rufus. Under Device, select your USB drive. Click Select and choose the ISO file you downloaded. Rufus will open a window asking if you want to remove TPM, secure boot, and RAM restrictions. Check the boxes to allow installation on unsupported hardware. Leave other settings as default, then click Start. This will erase your USB and turn it into a Windows installer that bypasses compatibility checks. Once it is done, restart the computer where you want to install Windows. Press the boot menu key, such as F12, F2, or ESC. Select the USB drive to boot from. When the Windows setup loads, choose your language and click Next. Select Install Now. The installation will now continue without any compatibility errors. Your computer will restart several times. Complete the setup steps on screen. Thanks for watching.